Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, we're working on another Jeep project. We're going to be working on this window. It ain't going to be easy with this bar in the way, but should have put this on before we put the rack on. But hey, don't forget to like and subscribe and think Jeep here. Let me show you what we've got here. Got a nice mountain scene. All right. We're going to put that nice mountain scene on the window here. We're going to situate it so that it's down by the bottom. And just like this. So we're going to situate it somewhere down by the bottom like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean that window down. Let's get some paper towels and get our alcohol out. So again, like we say when we work on these type of projects, you want to use alcohol so we can get the alcohol on there and we can clean the window real good. You want to get all of the dirt off the window. And if you got Rain-X on the window, you definitely want that off. Okay, so we got our alcohol and got it clean. We'll give it another wipe down here in a second. Next, take some dry towel. And you can see where fun getting behind there, but basically a little scratch in the glass. Okay. There you go. So now, there you go. Now, on to the next step. Okay, we're back. We got ourselves some blue tape. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this, I'm going to put a couple pieces of blue tape out. Take a couple pieces of that blue tape out. And come position this how you want. Now, we know we want it to be down on the bottom of the window a little bit. Something about like that. I'm going to come up here, a couple pieces of blue tape. You can kind of feel where your window is behind this. So once you got it positioned where you want to get your blue tape out. And especially when you're behind something like this, we want to put a bunch through here because we're going to have to peel this. It ain't going to be easy behind the bar. So we're going to do this behind here. So there you go. Now, the next step of this is make sure you've got something you can use as a squeegee to wipe these down. What we're going to do is we're going to roll this up. And because it's behind this bar, it's going to be a little bit more difficult. But have to roll this all the way up like this. And then what you need to do is start peeling this paper off. If you get to the corner here, you should see how the paper peels. See how this peels? Now, what we're going to do is peel this part way, and then you're going to roll this up this way. Whoops. Again, this is easier on your window if you don't have this bar in the way. Again, much easier if you have to keep the air out of this. Much easier if you don't have this bar. You can see how easy it is to work here. You can see you got a couple spots there with it. Not really the best, huh? That's what I was afraid of. There's a little spot right here where there's a wrinkle. So you can see we've got a wrinkle here, and that was unfortunate. So we're going to have to figure out how to peel this back here. Hey, hummingbird. That was a hummingbird in the garage. Now we got to carefully, slowly peel this back so that we don't ruin the rest of it. You can see you get a couple spots where you get a little bubble. Sometimes they just push out. Other times not so much. Well, there we go. Now, one of the last things we're going to do is some trimming. We're just going to come in right next to the rubber edge and score it. Very thin material, so when you score it, it won't take much, and then you can just kind of work it behind there once you've scored it. Work it behind the decal a little bit, the weather stripping there. Make sure you don't cut your rubber. There you go. So don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Yeah, I still got stickers. Hey, I'll put some links to some of this art for the sides of your vehicle. You can do it on your Jeep. Can't put them on soft windows, but you can put them on the hardtop. It's a little mountain scene. It looks pretty nice. Like I said, a couple little air bubbles. Those little air bubbles will disappear over time. So don't forget, like and subscribe, post notifications on. It's that easy, a lot easier without this bar. Catch you in the next video.